Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have what you need: a browser or the Google app and an image file or link. Open Google. Com and click Images. On mobile, tap the camera icon in the search bar. If you have a photo, choose Upload an image and pick the file. If you have a URL, paste it into the Paste Image URL field. Do this now so Google can analyze visual features like shapes, colors, and text. Those drive matching accuracy. Once your image is uploaded, crop to the subject that matters. Google reads the cropped area first. Then inspect the results page. Switch to tools to filter by size, color, and time to weed out irrelevant items. If the match is weak, click Visually Similar Images and scan thumbnails for better candidates. You can also run text OCR on images by selecting the result with readable text. This helps when logos, labels, or signs identify the object. To finish, open promising source pages to verify context, dates, and whether the image is original. This avoids misattribution. If you need higher confidence, repeat the search with resized, rotated, or black and white versions. Different resolutions expose different matches. If results are poor, clear EXIF metadata, crop tightly, or boost contrast before retrying. These fixes remove distracting elements and improve feature detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.